It's a little out of order, different today. Before Pastor Ben comes, we have a testimony in song that is titled, He's Still Rolling Stones. Not the Rolling Stones. Just want to clarify that. That morning in the garden, as it tells us in the book of Luke, they came and the stone had been rolled away. Not so someone could get out, but so we could look in and see that he was no longer there. All right, it didn't have to be moved for him to leave. But God is still in that same kind of miracle-working business. He is still moving those stones in lives that are broken. Listen as Charlene, Mom and Dad are on the front row. Dad is our drummer this morning. So Charlene's going to share this testimony and song. Pray for her as she gives witness.
Shadows, bound for the gallows, I did me walking, till love came calling. Rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. 6 feet under, I thought it was over, and answered a prayer, the voice of a Savior. Oh, rise up, rise up, rise up, rise up. Oh, oh, you're still